Hello, my name is Lior, and today I'll be talking about my project on fieldwork. I will be explaining the scientific method and its methodology. I will explain the scientific method by using my fieldwork project as an example. So you might be asking to yourself, what is fieldwork? Well, fieldwork is the process of observing and collecting data about people, culture, and natural environments. Fieldwork is conducted in the wild of our everyday surroundings rather than in a controlled environment like a lab or a classroom. Now, what is the scientific method? The scientific method is a procedure that has characterized natural science since the 17th century, consisting a systematic observation, measurement, and experiment, and the formulation, testing, and modification of hypotheses. So my inquiry question will be, what can we learn from toilet logs? So some students at Skywalker have been going to the toilet like 5 times a day. So I was wondering whether the students who go more have worse grades than the ones who don't. What we used to collect data was a laminated toilet log, a phone, and also a laptop. So for the hypothesis is I will hypothesize that the kids who go to the toilet more often have lower grades because kids who go to the toilet more are usually the ones that are not motivated to learn and do this to waste time. So this is a demonstration how it works, and this is Artem writing his name and the time of entry. And now this is him coming out. So at the end of each day, I'll take a picture of the toilet logs from upstairs and downstairs, and I will then put it into the spreadsheet on my laptop. Here you could see it here. And I then made a spreadsheet with the totals and everything and comparing it to the score. So now for analysis, you could see that in my class, Lewis was the person who went to the toilet the most. And for the class downstairs, there was Soma. Lewis spent an average of 4.3 minutes every time he went to the toilet and an average of 9.4 minutes a day. And Soma, he spent an average of 4.6 minutes on the toilet every time and an average of 8.2 minutes a day. We could see here that even though Lewis goes to the toilet the longest in our class, he has one of the best grades too. But on the other hand, Soma goes to the toilet the longest in his class, but he has one of the worst grade in the class. This is also with Danya, since he also goes to the toilet for a really long time, and he has the second worst grade in his class. In conclusion, I think my hypothesis is kind of correct because the students who go to the toilet the longest were the ones that were the least motivated or the ones that had already left the school and the ones who have the worst grade in their class. And I think next time I should be taking more data, like in a more longer time span, because I only took data from a week's time, and I have very limited data as well. I think to wrap it up, next time I should collect data like longer, since I only took data for a week and I barely got any data. And maybe next time I should take in like a month or a year, because barely like half the students did go to the toilet this week. Thank you for watching, and I hope this scientific method can help you solve something in your everyday life. Bye bye.